Hey, you know what time it is, Friday Buzz, and it's going to be a pretty sweet one. If you're looking for something to do as the weather gets nicer, why not take a drive up to Hershey Park? They are now open for their 115th season with the opening of springtime in the park. People can enjoy weekends of spring fun, complete with coaster riding, even some new treats. Of course, safety measures are going to be in place here, and you are encouraged to buy tickets online.
It's fun, though. Nina's Cookie Explosion.
Ooh.
Its kickoff in April with some new treats. This local business is now serving up gluten-free dough, along with 2 new cookies. First, the Rocky Road, which is chocolate dough, walnuts, and marshmallows. It will be added to the permanent menu. And then the dough of the month is cheesecake stuffed chocolate chip cookies. That's like overload. At the end of the month, Nina's will make a donation to the Chesapeake Bay Foundation. So when you go to order, you may notice some changes to the quantity, and that is because each cookie is now 30% bigger because we need more cheesecake with our chocolate chips.
I mean, we should just end the buzz now. How do you top that? You can't.
I don't know.
All right, it might be a little bit chilly out there, but you can never say no to a snowball. Quality Snowballs in Hamden, now open for the season. Whether you prefer classic flavors like cherry or blueberry, maybe something a little fancier like cantaloupe jalapeno or creme brulee. My dad calls it creamy brulee. For now, you can get your favorite treats Friday through Sunday. Okay, I would take one of those and then get me that cheesecake cookie,
That
please.
sounds good, but I want the jalapeno snowball. Good idea. Be right back.